In this video, you will finish formatting your template with a table of contents, customize font styles and colors, and adjust line spacing. Formatting your agenda makes it visually appealing and easy to read. People should be able to scan your agenda to determine the most important elements and quickly identify the areas that are most relevant to them. There are several ways to change the formatting. Adjust the font, change the size, emphasize elements of the font with heading styles, add color, or link text. To choose a different font, use the Edit menu. Choose Select All to highlight all the text in the document. Then pick a font. Format your section headings with different colors to make them stand out. These can be the official colors of your company or organization, school, club, or just any colors you like. Choose a color for your meeting title. Choose a different color for the purpose. If you'd like it to stand out more, bold it. When you make changes to a heading style, you can update all the same heading styles in the document to match. Select a color for agenda, then update the heading style changes to match. Update the other heading styles in your template. Review your template. Another formatting option is to adjust line spacing. In this example, the logistics are spread out. Adjust the line spacing so the information is closer together. Finally, add a table of contents at the top of your template. A table of contents makes it easier for readers to move to different points in the agenda using clickable links. This is especially helpful if your agenda has a lot of notes or topics covered. Look at the table of contents. The logistics appear there because they were formatted as a type of heading. Format the logistics as subtitle because subtitles don't show up in the table of contents. Reduce the size of logistics. Then to draw attention to it, increase the size of purpose. Refresh your table of contents. The logistics no longer show, but notice that next meeting looks as though it's part of the action items section. Format next meeting as heading 2, since it is a separate section. Then refresh the table of contents to reflect the new changes. Great work! You have created a customized meeting agenda template. The section headings are consistent and the table of contents reflects the meeting's order and structure. Remember, your template may look different depending on your group's purpose and specific needs. Now it's your turn. Add more formatting changes such as font style, size, color, and line spacing. Update headings to match and add a table of contents.